Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find a grid reference. We'll break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Understanding grid references is a fundamental skill for anyone using a map, whether for hiking, surveying, or just exploring. By the end, you'll be able to pinpoint locations with confidence using this universal mapping system. First, let's talk about eastings. These are the vertical lines on your map, running from the bottom to the top. You'll notice their numbers increase as you move across the map from west to east. When finding a grid reference, your very first step is to read the easting value. Always find the grid line immediately to the left of your desired location. Next, we move on to northings. These are the horizontal lines on your map, running from left to right. Their numbers increase as you move upwards, from south to north. After you've determined your easting, you'll then read the northing value. Find the grid line that is immediately below your specific point of interest on the map. To get a full six-figure grid reference, combine your easting and northing. First, take the two-digit easting from the line to the left of your point, then estimate how many tenths across the square your point is, adding that as a third digit. Do the same for the northing, taking the two-digit number from the line below and estimating tenths up the square for the final digit. This gives you a precise six-figure location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.